My name's Luke Moulton, and in this course I'm going to show you how to generate leads via Facebook and Instagram lead ads. Let's take a quick look at what you'll learn in this course. Firstly, I'll run through the lead ad format if you're not familiar with it already, and I'll show you why it is so powerful. Then we'll do some marketing fundamentals just to make sure that we cover off on some best practices for creating ads. We'll take a look at some industry examples of lead ads, as well as what they're doing with their images and copy. I'll show you how to spy on your competitors. This is more so you can get some inspiration for your own ad images and ad copy. Then I'll run you through step by step how to create a Facebook lead ad campaign that can also be published to Instagram. And then we'll look at some of the nuances between publishing a lead ad to Facebook versus Instagram, because there are some minor differences. What businesses are suited to lead ads? I usually find that it's higher ticket item businesses. So automotive, for example, selling cars. Quite often they're using lead ads to generate test drives. Real estate also. Selling or finding people who might be interested in selling their house, as well as people who are interested in buying a particular property. Healthcare professionals, I see a lot of ads, lead ads for dentists and for plastic surgeons. Fitness, gym instructors, personal trainers, yoga instructors, they all use lead ads to quite often to give away like a free introductory session. Home services, gardeners, pool maintenance people, hospitality, wedding venues, for example. Using Facebook ads, you can target, for example, men and women aged between the 25 and 54 who are engaged to be married and live within, say, 30 k's of a particular venue. So lead ads are really suited to that sort of targeting, which is pretty awesome. Law firms I've seen, builders and renovators, and they're just to name a few. So why use Facebook and Instagram lead ads? Well, firstly, there's 2.8 billion active monthly Facebook users. I'm sure you know this, it's one of the biggest, if not the biggest, social media platform. And then combine that with Instagram, which also has 1 billion active users. And it's a pretty massive platform for advertising your business. I reckon it's got the best demographic targeting going around because Facebook and Instagram know so much about their users. It means that you can target by age, location, gender, interests, and so much more. You don't need a landing page because the lead ad actually happens within the app, usually the mobile app, but it can happen within the desktop application. People aren't actually clicking outside of the app. The lead ad and lead ad form gets shown within the app. So you don't actually need a landing page on your website. You do, however, need to be able to link to a privacy policy. So you should try to have a website with an existing privacy policy already. Lastly, before we begin, there's two things that I recommend that you have. You'll need a third-party application to send leads to your email address or to a CRM or email marketing platform. Funnily enough, Facebook doesn't send these. I'm assuming for privacy reasons, but there are a couple of applications I can recommend. Secondly, you should try to follow up the leads within 1 hour of them being submitted. There have been tests done or studies done around the effectiveness of following up leads quickly, and converting a lead to a sale, the conversion rate is significantly higher if you do follow up leads quickly.